Oh man, Uncle Nate. All right. Go, Riley. You throw the ball. Throw it. Put it in there. Go. Not that way. Over here. Get right here. Yeah. All right. Again. Say again. Okay. Do it. Turn around. Look. Riley. What are you doing?
Yay!
Give the ball to Baby Joe so Baby Joe can throw the ball. No? Where's the ball?
This season, I am testing what your health is worth. Right now, and I'll give you $40,000.
Oh, babe. Grab the ball.
Grab the ball, Baby Joe.
Go, Baby Joe. Right here, Baby Joe. What are you doing?
Grab the rim.
For Davy, strong and dependable, just like his daddy.
Grab the ball. Grab the ball.
Get it, Baby Joe. Put it right here. All right. Woo, Baby Joe. Say Baby Joe. Baby Joe. Baby Joe. Baby Joe. Yay. What?